Happy Halloween, everybody! My name is Gracie and I'm here at the Children's Museum Houston to bring you some fun Halloween costumes that you can do yourself. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so today we are going to be making a really cute Ladybug costume. For this costume, you're going to need a red shirt, some felt paper, a headband, 2 pipe cleaners, preferably black, 2 little pom-poms of the color of your choice, some scissors, and a white crayon. We are also going to need either fabric glue or a hot glue gun, but remember, if you are using a hot glue gun, to be very careful and to do it with adult supervision. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is cut out our little black dots. So to make our black dots, I'm just going to use a white crayon and any cup or plate that you have to help you make the circle. Next, grab your scissors and cut them all out. Alright, next once you have your dots all cut out, or your spots I should say, grab your hot glue gun and carefully put glue around. And choose where you want to glue it. Press it down. And repeat for the rest of the spots. Alright, make sure there's glue all around. Put it down. Press it. And do it for all the dots. Let's do some movie magic and there we have it. Our shirt is now a little ladybug shirt. An optional thing you can also do is this cute little headband. So first I'm going to grab the headband. I'm going to grab one of the pipe cleaners, twirl it around my finger so it's nice and bouncy. I am carefully going to grab my hot glue gun. Put some glue on the end and stick it to the little pom-pom. And last, what you do is put glue where you want on the headband, and there you have it. And there we have it, a cute little last-minute Ladybug costume. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. My name is Gracie, and I'll see you next time. Bye!